Home remedies for hypothyroidism. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains medium chain fatty acids that help improve thyroid functioning. It will also stimulate metabolism and boost energy. Plus, it will help raise the basal body temperature, which is important for those dealing with low thyroid function. Use coconut oil for cooking. Always use extra virgin organic coconut oil for cooking. You can also add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to milk and drink it in the morning along with your breakfast every day. You can also add it to your smoothies. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar may also help deal with this thyroid disorder. It is believed that it acids detoxification, restores acid-alkaline balance, facilitates weight loss, and helps regulate hormones and improve their energy metabolism. Apple cider vinegar is also beneficial for other health problems like diabetes, high cholesterol, and others. Add 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar to a glass of warm water. Mix in a little honey. Drink this solution daily on a regular basis. Vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency has been associated with several autoimmune diseases, including thyroid disease. Expose it to early sunshine in a good way to generate the vitamin D required by the body. So, expose your body to early morning sun rays for about 15 minutes daily. This will also help maintain healthy immune function and calcium metabolism. Those suffering from hypothyroidism can make it a habit to wake up in the morning and do some healthy exercises, stimulates the thyroid gland, such as walking outdoors. You will get the early sunshine as well as benefit from the physical exercises. Home remedies for hypothyroidism. Sea vegetables. Sea vegetables are a good source of iodine, an important mineral for thyroid health. The natural iodine present in sea vegetables can normalize thyroid-related disorders like obesity and lymph system congestion. These vegetables also contain a good amount of vitamin K, magnesium, iron, and calcium. You can use these vegetables by crushing, chopping, or crumbling any mix of dry sea vegetables you like to into soups and sauces, pizzas, casseroles, rice, and salads. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that contains substances known as isothiocyanates and goitrogens which help restrain the thyroid from producing too much hormone. Therefore, anyone suffering from hypothyroidism must try to eat uncooked broccoli as much as possible. Other cruciferous vegetables that may be helpful are Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, rutabaga, turnips, kohlrabi, kale, mustard greens, and radishes. Soya products. Protein-based foods are good for those suffering from hypothyroidism. Protein transports thyroid hormones to different body tissues. Research shows that a moderate concentration of soya sterols can help improve hyperthyroidism. Hence, eating more soya products can help treat the condition. If you are not a big fan of soya products, try to include nuts, quinoa, eggs, farmed fish, and legumes in your diet. Omega-3 fatty acids. If your body is not getting enough omega-3 fatty acids, there can be hormonal imbalance, including thyroid hormones. These essential fatty acids are the building blocks for hormones that control immune function and cell growth and also help improve the ability to respond to thyroid hormones. You can increase the amount of omega-3 fatty acids in your diet by eating more fish, grass-fed animal products, flax seeds, and walnuts. The sooner an overactive thyroid is diagnosed, the easier it will be to bring it back under control with medications, supplements, and lifestyle changes. Hyperthyroidism can also be treated with some neutral ingredients. However, make sure you consult your doctor and do not self-treat your condition. Cabbage. Cabbage is one of the most useful foods that can be used in the treatment of hyperthyroidism. Cabbage contains a good amount of dietary goitrogens, substances that help reduce thyroid hormone production. For best results, eat uncooked cabbage. Indian gooseberry. Indian gooseberry, also known as amla, can treat many health problems including hyperthyroidism. Indian gooseberry, due to its ameliorating effects on the thyroid gland, can help to control the production of thyroid hormones. Mix Indian gooseberry powder with honey to make a thick paste and eat it in the morning before breakfast. These are some of the foods that naturally suppress thyroid hormone production to help in the treatment of hyperthyroidism. Also, try to limit your intake of dairy products and caffeine as much as possible to manage hyperthyroidism successfully. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.